Hey there, fellow Windows users. Today, we will show you how to set a stunning screensaver on your desktop. Screensavers not only add a touch of personalization to your Windows 11 experience, but also help protect your screen from burn-in while displaying captivating visuals. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To set up a screensaver on Windows 11, follow these steps. Right-click in an empty space on your desktop. From the context menu, select Personalize. Using the right pane menu, click on Lock Screen. Under Related Settings, click on Screensaver. Click on the down arrow just under Screensaver. Choose a screensaver theme. You can tap on the Preview button to show what the screensaver looks like. After you've selected one that you like, select the number of minutes that need to elapse before the screensaver becomes active. Hit the OK button to save your settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this screensaver tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.